Ever wondered how to take your soil's fertility to the next level naturally? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make biochar, an ancient technique that can enhance your soil and cut down on waste. Skip this, and you could be missing out on a powerful tool that improves plant growth and reduces your carbon footprint. To make biochar, all you need is some organic material like wood scraps or garden waste, and a way to burn it with limited oxygen. This prevents it from turning to ash, creating the carbon-rich biochar your soil needs. Start by setting up a simple burn pit or using a metal drum. Burn the material slowly, keeping the oxygen low by covering the pit or drum partially. You want the material to char but not fully combust. Now here's the critical step that most people miss: activating the biochar. Before you mix it into your soil, soak the biochar in a nutrient-rich solution like compost tea. This primes the biochar to absorb and hold nutrients for your plants. Miss this activation step, and your biochar won't deliver the full benefits to your garden. Follow this process, and you'll have a powerful natural soil enhancer that boosts plant growth and soil health for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips.